Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shri Your Taste Buddy. Today let's prepare roasted broccoli, a quick, easy and instant snack. Bored of eating regular rice dal? Then this can be a best side dish for your meals. So let's quickly start. 1 cup of chopped broccoli, 2 tablespoon corn flour, 1 tablespoon rice flour, 1 tablespoon gram flour or besan, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon dhania or coriander powder, 1 teaspoon jeera powder. Take a bowl with hot water and add 2 pinch of salt to it. Now add the chopped broccolis to this hot water and soak them for about 10 to 15 minutes. Till the broccolis are soaked, in a bowl add 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of gram flour or besan, 2 tablespoon of corn flour, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon dhania powder or coriander powder, 1 teaspoon jeera powder. Add salt as per taste. Add a pinch of asafoetida or hing. Now mix all the dry ingredients well. You can prepare this dry mixture and preserve this in refrigerator, and you can use whenever required for such recipes. Now remove the soaked broccoli, squeeze them nicely to remove the excess water and add them to the bowl. Sprinkle the dry mixture which we had prepared earlier. Give it a nice gentle mix so that the dry mixture is evenly spread across all the broccoli pieces. If more dry mixture is required, you can add it at this stage and then give it a nice mix. Just flip it so that the dry mixture is evenly spread across. Now heat a pan with 2 teaspoon oil. Add the coated broccolis to the hot oil. Saute these coated broccolis for about 3 to 4 minutes on low to medium flame. Give it a nice stir. At this stage, if you feel the dry mixture is less, you can add some more dry mixture so that our broccoli pieces become more crispier. Then saute it well. The flame should be low at this point. Saute this for about 1 to 2 minutes and you can switch off the gas. Our roasted broccoli are ready to be served. You saw, with very less ingredients and very less oil, we have prepared this instant snack which can be served as part of your evening tea time or even as part of your meal. Enjoy this delicious crispy roasted broccoli with family and friends. Thank you for watching my channel. Check and subscribe my channel for more recipes.